Hello, Logan Lyons. It's me, Mr. Bell, again. And today we have yet another demonstration on cutting shapes. And we're going to explore the shape that we're going to cut today. We're going to talk about it, we're going to write it, and we're just going to learn about the shape. And then we're going to get into our cutting. So sit back and enjoy. Let's get started with the shape that we're going to explore today. And what's this we have? A square. That's right, square, and the square is SQUARE. What is a square? A plane figure with four equal straight sides and four right angles. See, a square has four equal sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and four right angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. In our last video, we talked briefly about a square when we were comparing it to a rectangle. And as you can see, the rectangle and square are very similar in the way they're shaped, but very different in the way the sizes are when it comes to the four sides being equal. A square does have four equal sides, but a rectangle has irregular sides, which means that there are two sides that are longer while other two sides are shorter. Okay, so let's get into writing our word square. So right here I have a piece of paper here, have the word square written on it, and we're going to just train ourselves to how to write square. So what I have is a pencil, and what do we do our pencil? We pick it up and we hold it correctly. The thumb is on the side or the bottom, and the two fingers go on the other side this way, and this is how you hold a pencil, the closest part to the lead. So let's trace and write our word square. Here we go. So the first letter I'm start off is with an S. And by the way, this is your right hand and this is your left hand. So square, the S starts off swerving back towards the left and then going to the right a little bit and swerving back to the left again. So we're going to write it down here. S. Swerve backwards and then go forward and swerve back again. Next letter is a Q. So you're going to go around, make a bubble, and then you're going to take your hook, go below the line, and then you're going to curve it toward, you're going to curve the hook towards the right. So we're going to write it down here. We're going to make a bubble, then we're going to take a line, go below the line on the that goes across, and we're going to curve our hook pointing towards the right. Next letter is a U. So a U starts at the top. No, we're literally at the top, and then we're going to go down and we're going to curve and go all the way up to both sides meet, and then we're going to take an extra line down till it stops on the line. So that's a U. Next letter is A. So we're going to make our bubble like this, and then we're going to put a line behind it. The same we're going to do down here. We're going to make a bubble, and then we're going to take a line right behind the bubble, and the line is always on the right hand side, and we're going to go down. Next letter is R. We're going to draw a line down, and then we're going to take a curve a line up to the right just a little bit, not all the way over, just a little bit. And there's your line, and there's your R. Do the same here. Draw a line down, and then you curve a line up just a little bit, and then that's it for the R. And the last letter of the word square is E. So you're going to draw a line to the sideways out to the right, and then you're going to take a curve, you're going to hook it all the way over and around that line till the lines meet, and then you're going to end up with a curve where the hook stops at the right. Do the same down here. Draw a line out to the side to the right. Then we're going to take our line and take it all the way around that first line, and then we're going to curve it forward to the right, and it stops in a little hook. And there's your word square. 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 Now that we've written and learned about our word square and we've written about it, now we're going to cut it. So how do we put our hands on our scissors? We're going to use a small hole to put our thumb in at the top, and the larger hole at the bottom is going to be for your finger. So the thumb goes in at the top, and my other fingers go at the bottom, and this is how I hold my scissors. When we open and close, thumb goes up, open. When the thumb goes down, it cuts. So let's start on the side where we're going to start our cutting. Right here we go. My scissors are open. And I'm going to enter the paper with the scissors open, and then I push my thumb down and I cut. Open up, move up, cut. Open up, move up, thumb goes down and cut. Open up, move up, cut. Open up, slide up, cut. Let me get back on the line. I went off the line for a little bit, but it's okay. Here we go. My scissors are open, then I cut. Now, I got to turn the paper because I reached the end of the line, and the line goes up this way. And so here we go. My scissors are open, and here I go. Go down, cut. Open up, slide up, move down, cut. Slide up, open up, and cut. And then I open up, slide up, and then I go down and cut. Using my thumb, everything's in my thumb. Move up, thumb down, cut. Now I gotta turn my paper again because the line is turned another direction. So here I go, my scissors are open, and I'm gonna cut. Here we go, thumb goes down, cut. Open my scissors up, slide up, go down and cut. Open up, slide up, go down, cut. Open up, slide up, go down, cut. Open up, slide up, go down, cut. Oh, it went off the line a little bit. That's okay. This is for demonstration purpose only. But with practice, you can be a perfect cutter. Here we go. Last cut. Here we go. My scissors are open. Now turn the direction of the paper. Here we go. Cut. Open up, slide up, cut. Open up, slide up. Watch my thumb. It's moving down. As I go down, the scissors cut. Open up, slide up, cut. Here comes the last cut. Open up, slide up, and cut. And we have a square. We've cut out a square. Oh boy.